How to enable group policy editor in your Windows device. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. If you guys are wondering how you can enable your group policy editor in your home edition Windows, this is how you do it. Now Windows does not provide a group policy editor for the home edition, so this is what you'll need to do to get it. So the first thing you'll need to do is open this up right here. Open up a notepad and you will need to type in this few lines of code. So I'll make sure to provide this code in the description. So just put in the code, and after you type in this code in your notepad, you will need to save it. So you can save it using whichever name you want. So I'll just save it here. Now, whatever name you give it, make sure that you put .bat at the end of it. And let me just save this on my desktop. Now here you will find the .bat file. All you now need to do is double tap on this or right click on this and run it as an administrator. After you run this as an administrator, what will happen is that your terminal will open up and few things will start getting downloaded. Now it will run in a loop for some time, so you will need to wait for a moment. And after you do that, after this ends, your PC will need to get restarted. So after you restart your PC, what you'll need to do is head over to your run. And on your run, you will need to open gpedit.msc. After you type in gpedit.msc, your new folder will open up or your new file will open up, which will show that your group policy editor is now enabled. And that is how you do it, guys. And that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.